I'm going to show you how to do long division, but I'm going to show you in conjunction with using base 10 blocks so that you see what's going on. I'm going to use a very simple question. We're going to do 59 divided by 4. 59 is my dividend, 4 is my divisor. I'm looking for my quotient. So rather than just doing it with numbers and you not understanding because it's all very confusing the first time, I'm going to show you using base 10 blocks, and at the same time I will fill in my numbers as I need to. So I'm going to make 59 with my base 10 blocks. So we're going to use 5 rods and 9 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's 59, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so I have 59 as my dividend. This is what I want to split up into equal groups. I want to split it up into 4 equal groups. So down here in my empty space, I'm going to make 4 sections so that I have a place to stick my groups. So if I draw 3 lines, I get 4 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. We're going to start with our rods. I need to split these up so that each group gets the same amount. Well, let's start with 1 each. That seems pretty simple. Okay. So they all have 1 each now. I have 1 rod left. Now clearly I can't take that and split it equally. So let's go back to our question here. So how many rods was I able to put in each group to make it even? Well, I was able to put one rod. Okay. How many rods was I able to put in each group? Well, I was able to put 1. So 1 rod times 4 groups is 4 rods. Mother says multiply. Okay, now we have to figure out what's left. Well, 5 minus 4, sister says subtract. So 5 minus 4 is 1. Brother says bring down. And we're going to bring down that 9. See how I put a nice arrow and I line up these numbers. I should have 19 left. Let's double check. So I have 110 and I still have 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 units. So I do have 19 left. Okay, this is working out well. But we still have the problem of splitting up this rod into equal groups. So how are we going to do it? Well, you know that 1 rod can be regrouped into 10 units. So I'm going to do that. So now I magically made 10 units and I should have 19 altogether still. So that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 19. Still have 19. That's excellent. I just, instead of 1 rod and 9 units, I have 19 units. Well, that seems a lot easier to split up now. So we need to put these units equally into these 4 groups. I'm going to start with 2s. That seems manageable, right? So we'll put 2 here, I'm going to put 2 here, put 2 here, 2 here. Oh, we still have more, so I'll put 2 more here. I'm going to put 2 more here, 2 more here, and 2 more here. Okay. I only have 3 left, but I have 4 groups, so clearly that's not going to work. I'm going to leave those for now. So let's take a look at our equation. How many units was I able to split equally into 4 groups? Well, I was able to split 4 units equally into 4 groups. Mother says multiply. 4 times 4 is 4, 8, 12, 16. Well, 4 times 4 is 16. Now sister says subtract. So we're going to put a nice subtraction sign, nice straight line. And if I do the subtraction, 9 minus 6 is 3, and 1 minus 1 is 0, I should have 3 units left and no rods. Okay, I do not have any rods, and I have 3 units left, so that's correct. Do I have anything left to split up? I don't have anything left to split up. So this 3 becomes a remainder. And the way we write remainders is using a capital R. And we put the remainder right beside our quotient. So if I asked you what is 59 divided by 4, you would say the quotient is 14 remainder 3.